Hey guys, it's Lindsay and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your Instagram camera effects and filters when they're not working. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure your Instagram app is updated. So let's head on into the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, you're going to search Instagram at the top search bar. I'll choose Instagram, the first option. Now to the right of Instagram, it'll either say open or update. If it says open, that means your app is fully updated. If it says update, that means you are in need of an update. The next thing we can do is offload the app. So let's head on over to our settings. From settings, you're going to click general down at the bottom. And in general, you're going to scan down to the middle of the page and click iPhone storage. Once you're here, you're going to scroll down to Instagram. Once you find Instagram, click on that. Now it gives you the option to offload the app or delete the app. We're going to go ahead and offload the app. So click on that. And I'm going to confirm it. Now what this does is clear the cache in your app. Once it's offloaded, you can go ahead and click reinstall. All right, and you've successfully offloaded your app. One last thing you can do to fix your filters and your effects is clear out your phone memory. Delete things on your phone to clear space because filters and effects need memory. They need RAM to run. So that's one last thing you can do. I hope one of these things helped you guys out. If it did, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.